In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give a description on your profile in Zoho People. We'll walk through this from the very beginning, so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open Zoho People and make sure you're logged into your account. First, from the main dashboard, look towards the top or left side of the screen and click on Home. This takes you to your general starting point in Zoho People. From there, you'll see an option called My Space. Click on My Space to open your personal area, where all your own details and settings are grouped together. Inside My Space, look for and select Overview. The Overview page is essentially your personal summary page, and it's where you can access your profile information. On the Overview page, you should see your profile picture or a placeholder image. Right beside that picture, there will be several tabs. One of these tabs is labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on the Profile tab. This is where your personal and professional information is displayed, and it's also where you'll be adding your description. Now scroll down the profile page until you find the section labeled About. This section is designed specifically for your personal or professional summary. Here, you'll see an option that says Add About. Click on Add About to open a text box where you can type your description. In the text box that appears, type the description you want to show on your profile. A good description might include your role, key skills, what you work on, and maybe a line about how you like to collaborate with your team. Keep it clear, professional, and concise, and avoid adding any sensitive personal details. You can take a moment here to revise your text, check spelling, and make sure it represents you the way you want your colleagues to see you. Once you're happy with what you've written, look for the Submit button below the text box. Click Submit to save your description. After submitting, your new About section will appear on your profile, and other users who view your profile in Zoho People will be able to see the description you just added. That's all you need to do to give a description on your profile in Zoho People.